video, we're going to dive into intangible assets. So intangible assets are those assets that are non-current. Let's remember they're more than 1 year, and they do not have physical substance, and they represent the privilege or right held by the company. So that gives us a future benefit. Remember, the definition of an asset is a future benefit, and that's what that means exactly. So examples include patents, copyrights, trademarks, and licenses. So these are very important to run a business, because if you have this could derive you a lot of value, and it could lead to a lot of revenues and business coming in. Goodwill is a type of intangible asset, but it's reported separately. So goodwill is access price paid on acquisition of another company. Once again, goodwill is the extra price that you pay to a company to purchase out their business that represents the reputation of the business, the processes that are already put into place, because that business is already well established. That's why you're buying it. So goodwill is all the hard work that went in to build that business into being a successful business that it is today. So essentially, intangible assets generate a future value to the company. Once again, it provides us with a future benefit, very important. And they're amortized if they do not have an indefinite life. Indefinite life means that it has no useful life, but some of these have useful lives, meaning they're amortized or depreciated.